Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel. Here we are going to do a new reading, and that is a collective reading. But before that, I'll like to welcome all my beautiful souls to my channel. I'm a meditation trainer and also an intuitive card reader. So, here today we are going to have a reading about the three big changes coming in your life. So, in the next 3 days. So, what three changes are going to come in your life in the next 3 days? That is today's reading. And here you can see I have kept different decks. I'd like to introduce the decks, all the decks to you. The first deck is the Angel Answer Oracle deck. The second is the Yogic Path Oracle deck. This is the Archangel and Gemstones Oracle deck, where in this we will read the affirmations and the prayer and the blessings what we get from our archangels and the gemstones or crystals through which we can connect to the higher self, right? And this is an affirmation card reading deck, and also with a question behind every affirmation card. So we would go with the three big changes in the next 3 days what you have in your life. So let's start today's reading. And this is the, I forgot this is our tarot card deck, and we will also go with pulling one card each from the deck for our three big changes. Okay, so first let's start today's reading with the first change in the next 3 days. And let's start first with our Angel Answer Oracle deck. What is the first change in the next 3 days? First of all, let me make some space over here. Okay, so first we would go with the First, we will go with the Angel Answer Oracle deck. Then we will go with the Archangel Gabriel. Yeah, see, now Archangel Gabriel is coming in my mind. Let me see. Oh, it's Archangel Thuriel. Okay, so I got my Archangel. So Archangel Gabriel had given me a message to pull the card and connect to the energy of Archangel Thuriel. See, I was ready to pull the first card from here, and I was going to shuffle the decks. But before that, I got the message from my Archangel Gabriel, and he have connected us to Archangel Thuriel. That is, nature nurtures me. That is the affirmation. Animals and other creatures bring me messages that guide me in my life. My connection with Mother Earth provides vital energy. I am focused and grounded. Okay, my soul family, somewhere your first change, what you would get in your life or you have to bring in your life is to be grounded and be connected with the Mother Earth. Okay, and for that, which stone or which crystal, that is cobra jasper. See, such a beautiful gemstone it is. And what's the thought over here? Have you been getting outdoors enough? So now again it is telling you to go in the nature, right? It is time to reconnect with nature. See, it is written in the card, get out there and put your hands in the earth. So it is telling you, it is giving you the advice that if you want to bring that change in your life, somewhere you would be feeling unstable, somewhere you would be feeling insecure. So to come out from that and to bring a positive change in your life, this card is telling you, Archangel Thuriel is telling you to connect with the Mother Earth by going out, connect with the nature, see the plants, see the sun, see the moon, stars, the sky, right? And connect with the earth. Do some gardening. Okay, if you don't have a garden nearby, you're not able to plant any plant in your home, bring a small pot, try to water it daily, nurture it, so it gives you a grounded energy. Okay, get out there and put your hands in the earth, garden, walk in nature, play with animals. Oh, some would be having pets. See, so if you're not able to spend time with your pets, go with your pet, take your pet to the nearby park. Even you connect with the nature, you connect with your pet, and your pet would also have fun with you. They will shower you with love and blessings. See, and allow the earth beneath your feet. So try to walk with barefooted on the earth, on the grass, right? Your feet and the sun above your head to nurture and realign you. So this is the biggest change which is going to come in the next 3 days, or even if someone have already started, so you are on the right path, dear. So the first big change is about connecting with the nature. Feel grounded. Okay, now let's go with our angel deck. Okay, what is the part with the angel deck? Okay, yes, see, this first big change, there's something better to come. See, the first is telling about to connect with the nature and connect with the cobra jasper gemstone. Now see, it would happen like you would be not having this crystal, no matter. Just visualize that you have this beautiful crystal in your hand while you're meditating, or you just visualize for 1 minute, you will get that energy. And what is the answer from our angels? It is saying there's something better when you would go in the nature. Yes, so this change is going to bring better outcomes, better results, and somewhat if you would be feeling stuck, insecure, unstable, so this would bring better chances. So this is the card from our angel. Yes, let's go with more spiritual journey, like with this oracle deck, which will help you to connect with your spiritual journey, with your daily life. What is the big change, first big change in the next 3 days? My angels, please let me know. My spirit guides, please let me know. For my soul family, yes, what is the big change they have in the next 3 days? Yes, okay, I'm getting attracted toward this card. Yes, let me see. Okay, I got the card Tejas. Okay, so this is a card of brightness. This shows about more of getting inward. Okay, so if you want to bring that positive change, want to go further with your spirit guides, want to connect with the higher self, it is talking about to connect with that supreme light, that supreme god. But just you have to see that light within yourself, and you would get connected. And that is tejas. Tejas means your brightness in your aura, brightness within. So if you are going in the nature, connecting with Archangel Thuriel, right? When you're going to work with the nature, that brightness, what is within you, would come out and enlighten your journey towards your goals, and you would get that change. See, I know that change sometimes seems in the first little bit difficult. We feel little bit chaotic when we face that change, but when we are connected to the earth, to the mother kaya, to the mother nature, it helps us to bring more positivity, stability, and security without any fear. We welcome that change, and that change is somewhat better, right? So the angels are saying, Archangel Thuriel is saying to connect with the nature, which would bring something very better through that change, and which would grow inward. That is the tejas, that is the brightness in your aura, and that aura would be spread out. More and more people would get attracted. Somewhat it also shows that you would gain that fame and success what you have manifested. So for that, this card shows that you are going to connect with the higher self and bring that brightness and eliminate, I just like, it will bring more brightness, and it would show your aura shining. More and more people would get connected towards you, and they would, in a crowd you would be found easily. Like, you would be the point of attraction to you towards how you are connecting within yourself. See, just think about it, in what situation or what you have manifested. So according to that, this card would work for you. Okay, I have to make a little bit space. I will put this card over here. Yes. Now let's take today's affirmation. Okay, what is today's affirmation for the first big change? When we have uh, changes in our life, we need some positive affirmations. Oh, right. I got, oh, the angels are giving so many affirmations. Right. I'll read the first one. I can hold two opposing feelings at once. It means I'm progressing. See what change it is talking about. Though you are changing, there are two opposing feelings, right? Because change is somewhat negative at the very first time. When we are feeling very chaotic, insecure, we get that opposing feeling like, okay, this change is coming, but I'm not feeling, as you're going to step it into that unknown, right? So that is somewhat insecurity. But 1 second, for a once, within a second, you're connecting with the opposite feeling, that is positive. Okay, though the change is coming, I'm feeling chaotic, but this is going to bring positivity in my life. So it means I'm progressing. Yes, it's progressing. The first affirmation. Okay, the second, my pleasure does not require someone else's pain. Oh, see, my pleasure does not require someone else's pain. So as you can see the nature, the flower, right? So connect with the nature, and you would come out with that pleasure, and which would be even pleasurable for the others also, as you're going to nurture the nature. Yes, the pictures, even in the pictures of the affirmation, there are flowers over here, there are flowers over here, even flowers over here. See, everywhere there are flowers. See how it is well connected. Now the third affirmation card for the first big change, the positive energy what you need. I affirm and encourage others as I do myself. Yes, I affirm and encourage others. See, now when we bring changes in our life, or when we are in the, in a transformative mode, we need continuous encouragement. And when we find others in a transformative mode, somewhat you would also try to encourage them. And that is the best example by Tejas. When you would be brightened, when you would feel enlightened, you would also enlighten the other people's path. So somewhat you would be a light worker, you would be a light seed worker, or you would also working in certain kind of fields where you're going, where you are encouraging the people. Like you may be a teacher, you may be a mentor or a guide or a counselor, where you are counseling others. So this card shows someone in my soul family who would be a teacher, who would be a guide, who would be a mentor, or working as a counselor, or even a lawyer who is counseling the people, helping them out, encouraging to come out from any kind of discomforts. Okay, so I affirm and encourage others as I do myself. Okay, now what is the next affirmation card? Every decision I make is supported by my whole and inarguable experience. See, now the change what is going to come. Okay, now the first big change what you are going to experience is your own decision, that is being confirmed from this affirmation card. Every decision I make is supported by my whole and inarguable experience. So when you are going through this change, you have taken your own decisions by seeing all the factors and aspects what would bring in your life with different kind of changes. Okay, so this affirmation card, every decision I make is supported by my whole and inarguable experience. What beautiful affirmation is there for the first big change in the next 3 days. Now let's move to our tarot card. Okay, let's see my angels, my holy angels, my spirit guides. Please let me know what is the first big change in the next 3 days for my soul family. Okay, what is the first big change? Okay, temperance. Okay, see now, temperance means that you have to be very decisive in your uh, decisions or in your changes. Okay, you have to be very grounded. See, you can see in the picture, like the angel has beautiful wings, so you are well protected, guided, and you have the sun. See, you can see the nature, and the very first card came with the nature. So the big change is going to come in your life. The legs of the angel are in the water. Okay, see, in the water, and the sun is shining bright. Even in this affirmation, we had just read it out. See, it's a garden. There the garden is written. Walk in the nature, play with the animals. See, there are wings, there are birds. It is being shining. Okay, so allow the earth beneath your feet. You can see the earth and the water where the angels' feet are there. The sun is shining bright above the head, and the temperance is trying to maintain the balance. See, that balance is about opposing feelings you may have. So temperance means to balance. Okay, so everything with the change, you have to maintain that balance. That is the first big change, that is going to have some feeling, mixed feeling little bit chaotic, but to come out from that, you have to work in the nature, try to connect with the nature, and try to keep balance. You can see from this card, it is, the water in the emotions. Okay, it is being poured from one cup to another, so it is showing that it is filling the cups. In the heart there is a pyramid. Okay, so it is showing that energy field what you have, that is the tejas which is being seen in this card. So you are a bright soul. You have to just work on it, bring that, welcome that changes. Don't be fearful, don't feel anxious. You would come out from that. Just connect with the nature, work with the nature. The angels are with you, they are protecting you. See, they're protecting you. And temperance somewhat shows the balance, and to work within, connect with your heart chakra, work with your emotions, and see how you would come out from that two opposing feelings with the first big change. Okay, so the first big change shows about working with the nature, so that this change would bring more of nurturing elements, would help you to heal and heal others along with you. Okay, and with the different affirmations. Okay, now let's clear the space and go with the next second big change, what is waiting for you. Okay, okay, so first, as in the sequence, in the first big change we had gone with the archangels. So I'll welcome the archangels. Please, archangels, please let me know what is the second big change coming in the next 3 days. Yes, Archangel Michael. Wow, that is the first big change that is being said by Archangel Michael. Archangel Michael is there for you. I am always safe and protected. See, as I told in the first change, that you are being protected and guided. So this is being confirmed in the second change. That is, I am always safe and protected. My business is a great success. Okay, there are any business person over here who have their own business, or they're just thinking to start their own startups, new beginnings, new job. Okay, as it is a collective reading, there would be different people listening to this reading. Okay, so you just take the part which resonates. So these are the people. It is something career oriented. My business is a great success and endures all economic cycles with ease. It is easy for me to remove obstacles from my path. I'm able to handle challenges. See, Archangel Michael is supporting you, guiding you, protecting you in each and every field of your work, career, business. So wherever you feel stuck, just call on Archangel Michael, and this would help you to turn into your next change, that the second change. Now there would be like some people would be thinking to change their job or change their business or bring some innovation or bringing some innovative ideas in your current job or current business. So Archangel Michael is confirming and affirming you that just start it. Don't wait for anything. You, as he's there for you, he's making you safe and guided and protected. Just start. Success is awaiting for you, and the economic cycles, whatever you are facing, any challenges would be overcome easily. Now let's check which gemstone is there for you. Yes, black onyx. Wow. Are you trying to reach a goal? See the second change. The second change is talking about what? That you're going to bring some change in your workplace. Okay. Now there would be some housewives. So if it is with them, just think like what would be the change? Like you want to start up something from your home. Do you want to work? Do you want to do some part-time job or from work from home activity? Start doing. Don't wait. The angels are with you, and they're telling you that there are many kind of aspects which you would overcome as a challenge you would be facing. So are you trying to reach a goal and keep getting pulled off in this course? Maintain your focus, identify and release distractions. See, whenever we are thinking to start something, we get lots and lots of distractions. So try to release that distractions. Do some kind of manifestation techniques, do some visualization, okay, and give positive affirmations to yourself. See, it is written, keeping you from moving forward. I'll read it again. Maintain your focus, identify and realize distractions keeping you from moving forward. Visualize your future. Know that you can easily work through any issues that may arise. Success is yours. See what beautiful card it is. You have to just connect with this. You can take a screenshot of this and try to say this affirmation at least 2 times or 3 times when you wake up early in the morning or while you're going to bed. Okay, and see how you would feel successful towards your goals. Okay, so Archangel Michael is there for you, protecting you and healing you and guiding you towards your work. Now let's ask for the second big change, what the angels have for us. Archangel Michael and the other acknowledging card from this oracle deck, angel answer deck. Okay, I got the card. No need to worry. See how the cards are getting connected? Yes. See, Archangel Michael have told that you are safe and protected, and this is being acknowledged by this card. No need to worry. You have that fiery element in you. You can easily start and easily bring that innovative change and ideas or thoughts what are coming in your mind. You have to just bring that, just bring in front of you. Don't think what the world would say or what the people would say or how would it make sense. Just forget, come out from that self-doubt mode. Okay, and no need to worry. No need to worry. See, the first change was to connect with the nature and leave it to the nature, as it would help you to connect and feel grounded. Now Archangel Michael in the second change, it is talking about being protected, safe and guiding you and helping you to come out from any kind of obstacles when you're facing in any field of your work, job or businesses, or any kind of financial issues if you have. So no need to worry, you got your answer, that this change is fantastic. No need to worry. Okay, so this is the angel's confirmation, the affirming card. No need to worry. Now let's go further with our third oracle deck. What is the part in the workplace which would help you to connect? What is the second change in the next 3 days. Okay, take this card. Oh, Swadhishthan. Okay. See, Swadhishthan is the third chakra. That is the um, solar plexus chakra. Okay, Swadhisthana chakra is the solar plexus chakra, which talks about self-confidence, which talk about being confident in what decisions you take. Whatever you have decided as your goal or your dreams, you have to just work on this chakra. Okay, this change would help you to connect with your inner guidance, what you get through self-confidence. You know, in many situations when the work is not happening or you think like you're feeling stuck, just connect with the third chakra. That is the solar plexus chakra, which is situated near the belly area. Okay, I'll just tell you that there are 7 main chakras, and among them this is a third chakra, which is yellow in color, and it is talking about to connect with the Swadhisthana chakra, or connect with your self confidence, boost your self confidence, start visualizing. The more you become positive, the more you connect with your confidence and gain that successful goal easily. Okay, so connect with your Swadhisthana chakra and there would be no worriness. Okay, now let's go with the affirmation card. What change is in the next 3 days which needs some positive words? Oh, okay, I'll just take this too. Okay. Oh, the second card came again. I affirm and encourage others as I do myself. See, as you are encouraging yourself, you are going to encourage others. As you're working in a business or having your own business or working in a job, the other colleagues or the co-workers, you would motivate them also to work in such a way that they would also feel motivated and inspired to work better, to come out with the best outcome in their goals and in their dreams. And the next affirmation is, I can be soft in my heart and firm in my boundaries. See what beautiful affirmation it is. I can be soft in my heart. So whenever we bring changes or whenever we have some innovative ideas, we have to be soft from our heart, because heart is a part where we have that creativity. Okay, and firm in my boundaries, which talk about the Swadhisthana chakra, that is the solar plexus chakra, which shows that you have to be very firm and confident. Somewhat here in the group, there would be some leaders or there would be some people who would be leading their team. So you have to work with your co-workers or with your peers or with your employees softly, but be firm in your boundaries. Make them give them the exact example, like how to be confident and how to achieve your targeted work, and set that boundaries so that they bring that perfect outcome what you need. Okay, so this is the second affirmation. Okay, now let's pull out a card from our tarot deck, which would give more clarification what big change, the second big change in the next 3 days is awaiting for my soul family. Okay, how is the next big change? Okay, I'm getting 2 cards. I thought I'll take only one. See, the sun. Wow, what beautiful cards are they? The sun and the strength. Okay, the sun and the strength. Strength means what? Again, it is talking about solar plexus chakra. You have to be, see, you can see the angel. She's having an infinity symbol, like she is full of abundance. She is working with a lion. This card, no, this card you can see, you have to be soft, but how softly she has kept her hand on the head. See how softly she's tackling that strong energy by keeping that firm boundaries. See how these cards meet. Okay, this affirmation card is been shown in the strength card. Strength card is your self-confidence, shows your solar plexus chakra, shows how softly you tackle any difficult situations, keeping that strong boundaries, keeping yourself confident, and don't let yourself down. Okay, don't let yourself down. You can see how well this angel is trying to tackle the strength of a lion by soft card is confirming that this second big change would help you to heal, come out of from any kind of self-doubt mode, and try to be confident. Work with your solar plexus chakra. Okay, so all these cards are talking about to start up with your business or new beginnings, or with your new job, whatever you have thought about. Just feel you are protected, guided by Archangel Michael. You have to be confident. Start working on your solar plexus chakra, which will boost your self-confidence. And with the part of this affirmation card, which connects with the strength card, that you have that healing power, which is being shown in the sun card. You have that healing power. You would make others comfortable to work with you. You would be soft in the nature, but you have to be confident and leading as a team leader in your workplace, where you would lead them perfectly, guide them with your soft nature, but you would keep that boundaries to finish the target, to achieve the target in the given time period. And angels is saying no need to worry, you just start up your work and you will achieve what you have thought, what you have manifested as your new beginning. So any in my soul family, if you have just started or have a thought of starting something new, that this second big change is confirming that there is no worry to start up a new part. Okay, so what beautiful second big change is. Okay, let's move to the last the third change in the next 3 days. Okay, so I'll just again shuffle the cards. Okay, first the third. Okay, I got immediately Archangel Raphael. See, Archangel Raphael is the card showing what it is. Archangel Raphael is a is an healing angel, which is heals everyone in the universe with his green light. Okay, so Archangel Raphael, the third change in the next 3 days is being supported by Archangel Raphael. I tap into the innate healing abilities, see, within, in order to realign my emotional, spiritual and physical bodies. So if you have any kind of pain, or pain can be emotionally, physically, mentally, spiritually. If you're feeling stuck, or if you're feeling any kind of pain, just call upon Archangel Raphael and just visualize that green light, and just tap into that innate healing abilities within, in order to realign my emotional, spiritual and physical body. Nature brings me balance. See, the first change, it talked about nature, connect with the nature. So here again, Archangel Raphael, nature brings me balance. I enjoy and absorb the positive green vibration of plants. See, again and again it is connecting my soul family to the nature. So this is the, in the next 3 days, I visualize that many of you would start to walk in a nature. You would start gardening, or you would bring some plants in your nursery or in your home, where you would like to work with the mud, or you would like to have flowers in your home. So this is the big change. The change can not only be in your workplace or in your life, but also a big change in your house. Okay, in your home, you would like to connect your home to the nature. Okay, so just think, if this is a thought, this is the confirmation. Okay, I remain focused even when the world around me is changing. Okay, so change is necessary. Change is the nature of the world, of the universe. So you are going to remain focused with the nature. Okay, let the world get changed accordingly. You have to get changed in your own timeline. Everybody are living in their own timeline. Everybody are having their own way of life. Okay, so just connect with Archangel Raphael for the change, and go with that green healing light, which would help you to heal if you have any discomfort or feeling any stuck energy. Okay, so Archangel Raphael is there for you. Okay, in the third change, what are the angels confirming? What is the acknowledgement given as a third big change in the next 3 days? Okay, I'll take this card. Yes, this grabbed my attention. Okay. Oh, no for what? No need to worry. Okay, don't think that you are alone. Yes, see, the angels are there. Angels are there for you. You're sitting over here and thinking, like, should I do, or what should I do? I don't want to do. Angels are saying, no, you have to start. You have to start. See, no means literally doesn't mean that something change is happening and it is not good. No, it is saying that you don't sit at the river bank or near the water. Put yourself in that nature. Drop yourself. Surrender. Okay, surrender yourself. Don't sit and think. Stop that overthinking. So that no is for stop overthinking and start doing. Okay, I'll take one more card to bring that clarification about no. Okay, I'll bring another card from the angel. Like, what is that no for? More clarification is needed, angels. What is that no for? What is the third big change which is saying no for? Okay, I got this. Yes. So somewhat you're just sitting over here thinking about, started overthinking, and just sitting and waiting that opportunity to come. Okay, just by sitting idle, would you think that you would get that opportunity? No, you would not get that opportunity. You have to come out. You have to accept that change, and that has been confirmed by this card. Choose a new direction. See, choose a new direction itself is a change. It is a transformative energy talking about. So now you're just sitting and wandering. You're just seeing that beautiful world. So just by seeing that beautiful world, would you think that you would get what you want? No, you have to start working on it. Stop that overthinking. So that no is telling, stop that overthinking. Don't think, don't make yourself to sit in that comfort zone. See how comfortably you are sitting over here and waiting for that blessing to come. That blessing or opportunity would not come unless you are not taking it. You're not working on it. Stop that overthinking. Okay, and choose a new direction. That is the clarification given by our angels. Choose a new direction. See what a beautiful card it is. It is pointing it out. See, as you would take a new direction, see, one person is feeling, you are somewhere here, feeling stuck, feeling unhappy. Your hand is on the heart. You're feeling like I am not getting it. And other people, see, others are standing over here enlightened, and you are somewhat still waiting. And the angels are showing you a new path with the magical wand. Okay, so see opportunities in front of you. The second change, I'll recall, the second change was to start up a new beginning with the Sun card. Okay, new beginning, new business, innovative ideas in your workplace, in your home, in your job, in your businesses. So if you're just thinking, go with it. Choose that new direction. Angels are with you. Stop that overthinking. Stop that and start taking it. It is call to action. This card, I would just say call to action. This is the call to action cards. Choose a new direction, and you have Archangel Raphael who would heal you with a green light and would connect you. And I forgot to check the gemstone. Green calcite. See, green calcite. Are you having a change of heart? Do you find that you are having a hard time changing the way you look at love and friendship? Okay, so this is all about your friendship, or your friendship can be in many ways. Friendship in your personal life, friendship with friendship can be in the form of business partnership, friendship can be in the form of making new friends, meeting new people. So whenever you go with that, take that. They are waiting for you. That would bring best opportunities in your life. The only constant in life is change. See, change. See, the thing is that today's topic is just resonating with the cards. The three main big changes in the next 3 days. So the third change is that you would meet new people, you would get that new direction, and don't sit idle and think like I would get the opportunity just sitting on the end of the on the end of the path. I'll get that opportunity just sitting idle. No, you would not get it. You have to take that friendship, you have to start that new beginning, come out of from that self-doubt mode, come out, bring that self-confidence. Okay, so that is the part being there. Okay, Archangel Raphael is there for you, guiding you, healing you, and stop that overthinking mode. Come out from that and choose a new direction. Okay, now let's go with the part of our further, which card is waiting in our yogic path. Okay, I got that. Oh, it's falling down. Yes. What is the card? Sattva. Okay, Sattva. You can see the third eye. Okay, so it is talking about to connect with your intuition. Connect with your intuition, and that is the third eye chakra. In the second change, it was talking about to connect with your solar plexus chakra. That is the third chakra. This is the third eye chakra, which is situated at the center of your forehead. Okay, and that is the Sattva. Why Sattva? Because when we say that a soul is situated where? Somewhat a soul is situated in the center of a forehead. That is the Sattva, right? That is the soul, that is the highest soul or the supreme soul. So you have to just work on your third eye chakra. You would get your intuition, which would help you to accept that change in a positive way, and would help you to go with the new direction. It would help you to choose a perfect direction when you will work on your third eye chakra. So start working on your third eye chakra, which would help you to connect with your soul, with your inner soul, with your higher self. Okay, and you can see the hands are upside, you know, connecting to that third eye chakra, finding that intuition, trying to visualize your future. So by connecting with your third eye, you would visualize, you would connect with your higher self, and you would get with that third new change. Okay, now let's go with our affirmation card. Okay, I'll make some place over here. Okay, what is the affirmation needed for my third change in the next 3 days for my soul family? What is the affirmation needed? Okay, I will take. Okay, there are 3 cards, 3 affirmation cards. Yes. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. See how the cards are getting connected. See, Raphael, Archangel Raphael is a healing angel, and the first affirmation is talking about healing. Okay, it's talking about healing. It's talking about healing. See, I breathe in healing. I exhale the painful things that burden my heart, and Archangel Raphael is the healing angel which works with our heart chakra. Okay, so you can just see how well connecting the affirmation cards. Angels are here, angels are working for you, my viewers, my soul family, my friends. Just connect, just call upon Archangel of Raphael and breathe in healing, exhale the painful things that burden my heart. That is the first affirmation that is waiting for you, my dear ones. the second affirmation, I am in charge of how I feel and I choose to feel happy. See, for happiness we don't need others to make us feel. You have to start feeling happy from within. Okay, make yourself happier. Okay, why? How? See, when you would connect with your intuition, you would take the charge of your own self. You would not need the confirmation of others to make you feel happy. You would not need that acknowledgement from the world or the people surrounded to you to make you feel happy. You just stay with yourself, work with your intuition. You are there to charge yourself to make you feel happy, and you would choose yourself to feel happy. That is the second. I'll read it again. I'm in charge of how I feel and I choose to feel happy. Okay. And the last affirmation, what it is needed, I am content and free from pain. So beautiful affirmations are there, and it is well synchronized with each and every cards coming on this reading. My viewers, my family, my soul family, you can see I'm content and free from pain. Whenever you feel stuck, whenever you feel that pain, that something is not working, just give this affirmation, I am content and free from pain. I am content and free from pain. You have to speak these affirmations. You can take the screenshot of these affirmations whenever you feel stuck, right? Whenever you feel stuck, just speak these 3 affirmations and just see how comfortable it would be for you to accept that change, to bring that new direction, to call upon that opportunity which is waiting for you, which would help you to connect with your intuition. And Archangel Raphael is there working for you, is helping you. Just call upon Archangel Raphael and speak these 3 affirmations and just feel the magic. And the last, that is, let's go with our tarot card, which would help us to further clarify how to go with it, how to bring that third change. What is the third change in the next 3 days waiting, and what other things are there for us to take in concern, okay, with the third big change in the next 3 days. See, it is a timeless, okay. There are 3 cards. Let's check. There are 3 cards. Let's see. Okay, first card, Ace of Swords. Okay, I'll keep over here. King of Cups and 9 of Pentacles. Wow, what beautiful positive cards are there for you, my goodness. Thank you, angels. Thank you, angels, for giving me that confirmation. See, the Ace of Swords is a card of new beginning. You can see how the sword is being handled, okay, very firmly, very strongly, okay. So you are ready to take that opportunity, to choose that new direction, start up your new beginning, okay. Ace of Swords means new beginning, new startups. That was the second change, and being confirmed in your third change. Choose the new direction. Ace of Swords is waiting for that new change. The new change is coming in your business, in your workplace, in your spiritual path, in your home, in your relationship, in your friendship, okay. That Ace of Swords is a new beginning where you are very firm and you are connected. King of Cups means you are working with that masculine energy. You are firm with your decision. You're going to fulfill that emotional balance with the masculine and the feminine. That is being confirmed with the 9 of Pentacles, which is showing the financial growth. So any kind of financial obstacles, if you are facing during this period, is going to change. You're going to have financial abundance, okay. So once again, the first change was to connect with the nature, right? Then in the second, it just gave us to start up a new direction, to choose to bring changes in your workplace, in your home, in your relation. And in the third, if you find anywhere stuck, there is Archangel Raphael helping you to connect with your intuition, go with these affirmations. And the tarot cards are confirming with the Ace of Swords, King of Cups, and the Nine of Pentacles. Okay, so these are the big three changes in the next 3 days in your life awaiting for you. So this is today's reading. I would end the reading, but before that, let me know how much it resonated with you, how well it synchronized with your life. And I would like to know in the comment box. Please give your comments below in the comment box. I would be very happy to read those comments. And don't forget to bring these changes, connect with Archangel Thuriel, Archangel Raphael, Archangel Michael, and help you to bring that changes in a very positive way. Feel that confidence and be happy and stay safe. Yes, till then. And yes, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, till then, we'll meet in our next reading. Bye.